Now that you've downloaded this Sketches Pro app, I wanted to show you a little bit around it. First things first, you have several little books inside here, and there's a couple fun ones. You can do some daily activities if you'd like, but that's not what we're doing today. You can sketch in the Sketches community, which is pretty cool, and look at other people's sketches and what they're doing. You can learn sketches. It'll teach you how to use the different tools, which is super awesome. You can even look at their other apps and see how their different tools work. So we're going to go back to the blank sketchbook and we're going to open it up and click blank page. Now that I'm here, I want to show to you that there is this little symbol right here in the corner. This little pile of papers means layers. And by having this here, I'm able to create layers. And that's why we need this. So previously to opening your app, you should have downloaded at least 3 images because you need 3 images to be able to manipulate. I'm going to manipulate a coffee cup. I have a kid swimming inside it. So I'm going to take and I'm going to click my plus sign and I'm going to tap my 3 little dots right there. And I'm going to tap my down arrow and I'm going to tell it photo because I'm choosing it from my photo roll. Now that I'm here, I'm going to click on my background. I want to have this coffee cup on the table as my background. And I'm going to tell it check mark, yes, that's what I want. Now I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to click on this, choose a new layer, click on my new layer, and I'm going to now tell it by clicking the 3 dots, download my next photo. I'm going to grab my random coffee cup. So I have this fun coffee cup with coffee splashing out of it, and I'm going to eliminate the background from it, and then this kid swimming in the pool is going to get put inside there. It's going to be so awesome. So I'm going to take my coffee cup, I'm going to make it big, compare the size from this to that so that you can have proportion. I check mark it. Now using 2 fingers, oops, back up. This over here, that arrow is your oops mistake remover. You can 2 fingers enlarge or not. If I tap back on my layers and I click on my wheel, I can click on transform and now I can get it big again. Now that it's getting big, I can use my 2 fingers to enlarge it and erase all around it. This is my eraser tool. This is my eraser tool, and these are the different ways you can use your eraser tool. So there are different amounts of erasing, and when you have the eraser picked up over here on the side, this changes the size of your eraser so it can be small or huge. And we're going to come around the coffee cup and we're going to erase. And as we erase, we're going to reveal the background behind the coffee cup. And I'm just using my finger. I don't have a fancy stylus. Sound is rather annoying. Getting it bigger makes it easier for erasing, especially in small areas like the handle. Now when you're free transforming, be careful not to get your coffee cup too big because apparently it will delete off of your screen. We don't want that. So keep that in mind. Slow and steady. Need to go even smaller. check mark. Now, I'm going to click back on my free transform, and I'm going to resize the coffee cup to match the proportions on the table. In doing so, see this black dot that appears right there? That shows me that I forgot a part of the background. So when I check mark it, I will come back and I'll erase that really fast. And right there. Okay, so now take your time cutting out your shapes. This looks pretty good. It's pretty rough though, but that's okay. I'm trying to be quick so this video isn't a million minutes long. I'm gonna check mark it so that it's good to go. I'm gonna add a new layer. This time I'm bringing in the kid. The kid splashing around. So all my photos, click on my kid, and this kid is splishing and splashing in the water right about there. Check. And we're gonna enlarge. And one thing you need to remember is that it's very important that you look for the blue stripe. The blue stripe shows what area you're erasing. So if I was here on this one, if I was on this layer and I thought I was erasing here, I would actually be erasing this layer, not this. So I could very easily be in the wrong layer. Watch. I could be erasing my cup. See how that's erasing the cup and not the kid? Oh no, I just messed it all up. No fear. Click this back arrow, back, and it's all fixed, right? So, but to make sure that it's all fixed, go check your layer and make sure that in the layer right there that you can see the whole cup. So blue stripe on the layer that you're working on. So I'm going to take my eraser now. Oh, and there's this other cool thing. It's called opacity, and it means you can turn it almost see-through. So I'm going to take the opacity, it's right here, and I'm going to dial it down so that I can see through the cup and the splash and still see the kid in the tube the kid is in, but that way I can erase around it with more ease and know that I'm not erasing too much. So now we're going to erase. So I take my eraser, I choose my size. We want to start pretty big so we can erase the background. All right. It's going to be in the splash anyways, and we're going to bring down our eraser dial and we're going to get in closer. And I carefully two finger. No, I just erased the kid's face. Back it up. Two fingers, carefully zoom in. Take my eraser. Carefully move around the kid's head, coming down around her hair to her shoulder. Clean up the background. Get the background out of here. Okay. Now we're going to turn our layers off. We're going to bring our opacity back. Wrong layer. Bring the opacity back, and now I need to bring the coffee cup in front of her. She can go behind the coffee cup. I just dragged her, and now she is through the coffee cup. So, because she's in the coffee cup and it's splashing up on her because she jumped into the coffee cup, we are going to make sure the coffee cup layer is blue. We're going to take our eraser, and we're going to erase carefully right in here, so we can see the girl and we can enjoy her jumping into the coffee cup and splashing around like a pool. Check mark. And now she's in the water. See? There she is. Now, I can keep messing with it a little bit more if I would like to, but for the sake of time, I'm going to end the video. Please feel free to, manipulate and have fun with your photos. To save it, you tap on the photo up here at the top, share it with the Sharo. Click what one you're sharing, and you can share it into your photo roll. So you want to tell it to save image. And now that you've saved the image, you are welcome to turn that in.